All right, so anyway, this thing, I'm not figuring out what exactly is going on with the audio, but it obviously changed a bunch of settings on my radio. So it took the radio out portable, and then the radio was assigning the microphone to something else or whatever. I don't really know. Put it in data mode or something, or it told it to look for the audio in a different location. So you'd key up the radio with the mic, but you'd have no modulation. So, the Wfview, I mean, I've got it to work remotely over my network without any kind of audio control. Like, I can control the radio from here, but I can't hear anything and I can't send anything. Um, and I don't remember if this one actually will turn up the volume on the radio or not, but the other one will. So this is the remote client, and then the other one is the main one. So I did figure out that much, but I can't get the audio to work. I've done this on a lot of other stuff, and I don't know why it's so difficult with this one, but I'm going to have to sit down and binge watch a bunch of videos of other people setting it up. I'm sure somebody's got the answer for me.